Today, I'll show you exactly how to record your Google Meet sessions using OBS Studio, the free, powerful tool trusted by streamers and educators worldwide. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to capture your entire meeting, including both video and audio, so you never miss key information or feedback again. Whether you're saving lectures, important calls, or project collaborations, this workflow will have you covered. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to set up OBS Studio. So, start by heading over to the official OBS website and download the latest version that matches your operating system. Once you install it and open OBS for the first time, you'll be greeted by an auto-configuration wizard. Take a minute here to let OBS optimize for recording. That way, you don't have to tinker with a lot of complex settings right off the bat. Now, go into the Settings menu, click over to the Output tab, and select where you'd like your recordings to be saved. This is your recording path. It's a great idea to pick a folder you'll remember because that's where OBS will drop your finished videos. Then, set your preferred quality and file format. MP4 and MKV are both solid, dependable choices. MP4 is widely compatible, while MKV protects against file corruption if something goes wrong. Once those basics are dialed in, it's time to build your recording scene. In OBS, think of a scene as a canvas where you bring together everything you want to record. In that Scenes panel on the left, click the little plus button to add a new scene, or just use the default one if you like to keep things simple. Next, let's add sources. These are the actual bits of video and audio you'll be recording. In the Sources panel, click the plus button. Now, you have a choice. For recording your full screen, pick Display Capture. But if you want to just grab your Google Meet window, choose Window Capture, and select the exact window where your meeting will be. This option is often more reliable because it follows your Meet window, even if you move it around. For audio, click the plus again and pick Audio Input Capture to bring your microphone into the mix. This way, your own voice will be included in the recording. If you also want to capture what everyone else is saying in the meeting, go back to that plus sign one more time and choose Audio Output Capture to record your computer's sound. Sometimes, depending on your setup, both inputs might be captured together. Don't stress if this sounds a bit confusing. You can always test record a short meeting to make sure your setup is working. After you've added your sources, take a look at the preview window. Here, you can move, resize, or crop your video sources to make sure you're capturing what you need and nothing more. It can feel a bit like arranging the pieces of a puzzle. Now you're ready to record your Google Meet. Open your browser and join or start your meeting, making sure it's in the same window you selected in OBS. Take a quick glance at the Audio Mixer section in OBS to check your levels. Aim for your microphone meter to go into the yellow but not the red, so your voice is clear. And balance your desktop audio so everyone's voices are audible but not overwhelming. If things are too loud or too quiet, simply adjust the sliders. When you're feeling ready, hit the Start Recording button at the lower right. OBS will start capturing your meeting immediately. You'll notice the timer counting up and the audio meters bouncing. These are helpful indicators that everything is working. Try not to minimize OBS while recording, as it can sometimes affect stability. If you want a smoother workflow, you can set up hotkeys in the settings so you don't have to click the recording button at all. A great trick if you're juggling a lot of windows. When your meeting comes to an end, simply click Stop Recording. OBS will finish up and automatically save your video file to the path you set earlier. Not sure where it went? No problem. Go to File in the OBS menu and select Show Recordings. This will pop open the folder with your latest video right there, and that's all there is to it. With just a few steps, you've recorded your Google Meet session with high-quality audio and video. If this walkthrough helped you, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions about OBS setup or Google Meet, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more detailed practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck recording your next meeting.